The 31st of March, a SpaceX Dragon capsule launched into space carrying the first 4 astronauts to ever go into polar orbit. Amongst them was the German ham radio operator Rabea Rogge. While in orbit, she sent a puzzle, 3 images, split into 12 separate slow-scan TV pieces. And this is my attempt at getting the pieces and solving the puzzle. I used my homebrew Yagi antenna and a challange UV K5 to receive the images and live decode using the Robot 36 Android app, while also recording using Recorder. I later decoded the recorded audio using SSTV. Which gave me a slightly better result than the live decoding. On the first day, April the 1st, I wasn't able to get any sign of the transmission. Still, on April the 2nd, I wasn't able to get good enough signal to decode, but I heard a weak SSTV transmission, and at night, I believe there was no transmission, but I was excited when I got the eyeball view of the vehicle as it passed straight over my head. April the 3rd, I was finally able to download some images, although one can discuss the quality of my reception. April the 4th, I had a nice pass and got to download some more images and some with a lot better quality. It seems that all the passes over my head had roughly the same images, so I got mostly the same images both days. In the end, I was able to get image 7 to 10 in excellent condition, and number 1, 6, 11 and 12 in less than perfect conditions, and a partial of image 5. So then it was just the challenge of piecing the puzzle together and guess the location. I use GIMP to import all the images into the same project, in each their own layer, and move around till I found a match. On image 1 and 11, there was something familiar with the island outside the coast, and behold, Svalbard has this island just outside of the fjord that leads into Longyearbyen. And we can also see all the fjords match in image 6. So image 1, 11 and 6 shows Svalbard. Then panning a bit around, I found Franz Josef Land to match image 5, 8 and 10. Then for image 7, 9 and 10, I found a match in the Antarctic Peninsula. Image 7 gave it away with the outer islands of the peninsula, and from there I was able to fit image 9 and 12. Thanks Rabea Rogge and the rest of the Fram2 team. It has been a huge joy to take on this challenge. 73.